A judge in the coming days will decide whether or not to drop the charges of a man accused of shooting and killing another man during the Peanut Festival parade. His defense team claims he was using self-defense. The state feels otherwise. WDHN's Aaron Dixon has the story.
Mekhi Lawton walked into a Houston County courtroom this morning asking a judge to dismiss his case. Lawton is charged with shooting and killing Gary and Fluellen, while also shooting another man twice. His defense team says that during the shooting, their client was just trying to protect his friends.
Stand your ground applies to yourself or another. So if someone else is about to be shot by someone, you have the right to save their life.
During the 2022 Peanut Festival parade, witnesses say Lawton and some friends were approached by another group, including Fluellen, near a Main Street parking lot. Words were exchanged, but police broke it up, and Lawton and his friends went across the street to Montana Street. Witnesses claim that while on Montana Street, the group approached Lawton's friends once again, and one of Lawton's friends was thrown to the ground. Then Lawton heard someone say that Fluellen was pulling a gun. Police say after hearing this, Lawton ran into the fight and shot 2 times, then backed away and shot again.
Our client was interjecting himself into the situation to actually prevent that person from using a firearm.
Fluellen was shot in the torso, killing him, and another victim was hit twice by gunfire. Multiple witnesses took the stand and said they saw Fluellen reach for a gun, and Lawton's attorneys feel that their client was just using self-defense. Alabama's Stand Your Ground law states you can use deadly or physical force to defend yourself if you are in fear of imminent serious physical harm or death.
But for Mekhi Lawton, another individual would have lost his life. So really and truly, Mekhi saved a man's life.
The state in this case feel that Lawton wanted to be a part of the fight and that if it was self-defense, then he would have stayed at the scene. Instead, investigators say they have video surveillance of Lawton running and ditching the gun on Blackshear Street, for which he had a concealed carry permit near a business. The gun was later recovered, and the day of the parade, Lawton turned himself into the Dothan Police Department. Judge Todd Derrick is expected to make a ruling on the case in the coming days. If the motion to dismiss is denied, then the case will prepare to go to trial. If it is granted, Mekhi Lawton will be able to walk free. In Houston County, Aaron Dixon, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.